by the Spirit of God inside of me, telling me right now to also give solution. I should also give solution. I will not only address the matter, I will also give solutions. There was a voice note that I was listening to today. I saw it online, so I was listening to it. And the girl was begging the boyfriend that, why do you want to break up with me? We have done this relationship for 4 years. Why do you want to break up? Please don't break up with me. Why would you do this to me? I've been calling you, you are not picking. And the girl was complaining and complaining. He sent a voice note. Then the boy had to reply to the voice note. And the boy replied that, are you joking? What's your problem? I told you I don't want to do again. I don't want to marry a girl that smokes Igbo. So I was shocked. I don't want to marry a girl that smokes Igbo. I told you, how can I be smoking Igbo? You too, you'll be smoking Igbo. Did you hear that? Maybe you didn't hear it. Let me say it again. The guy said, the reason I'm breaking up with you is that, how can I, as a man, be smoking Igbo? You too, for those of you that don't know what Igbo means, marijuana, weed. So me, I'm smoking weed. You too, you are smoking. The guy now went further to say that, so when we give birth to children, how will our children be? They will be smelling Igbo. The guy now said, I cannot marry you. So it was a back-to-back reply of both the guy and the girl. Then the girl said something. The girl said, do you mean this is the reason you are breaking up with me? You don't mean it. He said, I don't believe you because when you met me in the club, you met me smoking, you saw me smoking, and you liked me like that, and you told me it was not an issue. Even 2 years down the line, we brought up the matter, you told me, no, it's not a problem. After all, you two, you smoke. And now you're telling me you're ready to settle down for 4 years. You wasted my time. You're not telling me you don't want to marry me. Only for the guy to reply. The guy, listen, no. Because when we are telling you, you will not hear word. You will think that, okay, I'll come back to those that kept themselves. Because the question was, what of those of us that kept ourselves? Right? I'll come back to that. And also, by the Spirit of God inside of me, telling me right now to also give solution. I should also give solution. I will not only address the matter, I will also give solutions. Now, the guy said that, who told you that when a man wants to marry, he will marry a girl from the club? My question is, this guy smokes weed. This guy goes to the club. He's telling the girl that they tell you, say, now for club that they find better woman. If somebody is looking for a good woman, he will not go to the club. He will not go club. I mean, I was listening to this voice note with joy, like we were surprised. So even though you smoke weed, you still know how to locate a responsible woman. Wow. He told the girl, we don't get a good woman in the club. And this one is for those of you that will argue from now till tomorrow that I go to the club does not make me a bad girl. Continue. Don't worry, continue. You are not a bad girl, you are a good girl. I'm just sharing testimony with you. Testimony of breakup. This Valentine, and some of you will rush to the club. You still go to the club. This guy went further to say that, let me tell you something. No serious man will marry any girl that does not have a future. How do you know that this girl does not have a future? So you know. And the guy kept emphasizing that, so I should marry a woman that is smoking shisha. You be smoking Igbo. The girl now said, but you are the one that you used to buy for me. He said, yes, now. He said, let me tell you something. Every man knows that when they want to flex, they will flex with any girl that does not have life to live, that wants to flex, that want to live their life anyhow. We will flex with them. But when it's time to marry, we will go and marry a responsible woman. Wow. Did you hear that? When we tell you now, don't dress that half-naked dressing, you will argue.